On August 14, 2025, a routine stop for a Tesla missing its plates turned into a sovereign citizen standoff when the driver claimed she wasn't driving but merely traveling beyond the reach of the law.
Why do you not have a license plate on the back of the Tesla?
This is a brand new car I just purchased. I have the temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back.
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking you, okay?
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it? That's the insurance. We're going to need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I should have stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
That you released your name and name and date of birth, and it has to show you a form of ID.
And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there. What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name. But I want to make sure for your record.
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purpose.
Okay. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I am traveling.
Oh, so she's just giving the first name.
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
You have PC to tow the car without a tag on it right now.
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You have no, you're not understanding. You have no
That's not a crime.
tag.
That's not a crime.
Are you going to identify yourself? You have to have some type of way to identify you. Yes, it is.
It's not a crime.
Yes, it is.
Quick get your attorney. Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done that earlier.
All over my stuff.
I'm actually listening to the radio, so...
ID for us to identify you.
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a packet, because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport.
What color is the couch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID in it. Okay. You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are being extremely aggressive.
Yeah.
You have to identify.
Make sure you're ready to get her out of the car.
All right.
So can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in.
Okay, so can you give us your name?
I just gave it
first name, last name.
I just gave it to her.
We're going to need more information than what you were telling us. Either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time. We're going to go ahead and... Afuera.
You're going to what?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Is the car off?
No, excuse me, what are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle due to you not wanting to cooperate with us and provide us the information that we are asking for you to give us.
I got her here.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, I did. Do not touch me.
Thanks.
Get out of the car. No, y'all.
Come here. Just come over here.
What are you doing?
I'm going to have you come to the back of the car over here.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about? Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not cooperating.
I'm finna get the venom off the vehicle.
Just go ahead and you can lean up against the car.
Can you let go of me?
No, so then lean against the car.
I'll lean against the car, but let go of me.
Stay right there.
Doing her duties in her job.
She's doing exactly what she should be doing, man. Would be happy to get a supervisor here for you, okay?
I need him now. Right now.
He's calling.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of these damn handcuffs.
Good. We already tried talking to you. We're done talking.
Where's your supervisor, sir? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual.
You've been uncooperative so far, ma'am, so you're going to remain in cuffs until we're comfortable that you're cooperative, okay?
Number 28 by Ben.
But just so you know what's happening, right? So your mom's being detained right now because she's driving a vehicle without a license plate on it, right? So we don't know what's going on, so she's being detained. You're not detained. We just need to get you out of the car because the car is likely going to be towed. Stokes, you mind closing that door for me on the car? Thank you.
You said you're being detained until we got.
Am I being arrested? I need these off of me right now.
We're gonna wait for our supervisor, like you requested, right?
I didn't request to be yanked out of my vehicle.
Okay. Due to you not cooperating with us, that's what happened. So now we're gonna do what you want, and you called for our supervisor. He's gonna be on the way. You can talk to him further.
Okay. So you're not being detained, then, right? Your mom is. Okay. So if somebody comes to pick you up, whatever it is, they're welcome to do that. You do not have to stay here. Should you not want to. Okay, if you want to remain with your mom, you're welcome to do that. I'm just here to make sure that no cars hit you, that you're safe, and all that stuff. Not you, ma'am. Not you, ma'am.
I need her to get the hair out of my eyes, please.
The officer there can help you with that.
No,
Okay.
I'm not wanting to touch me again.
It's fine.
Please. Get out of my mom. I'm not doing any commercial activity right now. That's my daughter. She's going to school.
You said you weren't driving?
Correct. I'm traveling.
She's passenger in the van, so I'm just making sure she's okay.
Okay. What do we got going on?
Driver on slow.
Okay. How can I help you?
There's no crime, which there is not. I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive ass cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle without my consent. Open my door unlawfully and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
When I'm not driving.
You're free to go anywhere you wish. Hey, Sarge. Ma'am, your daughter said that you guys were on your way to school. Is that correct? All right, so I know she needs to get over there, so you have like school books or something like that, a bag? Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and get that for you.
What makes you guys think that you can touch my personal property? Like, who are you?
Where is it?
Right now,
I
ma'am.
have not done anything other than
ma'am.
drive
The
her
back
to school.
seat.
You guys have literally yanked me out of my vehicle
Hold on,
at 7 o'clock in the morning. No,
I'm trying to help you,
understand
ma'am.
how aggressive this woman is in front of me?
Trying to help you.
You're still trying to make me speak with her.
Vinny.
I'm sorry.
So we're gonna just open the door, and her daughter's gonna grab the seat.
We don't know what's in there, right? I don't have no reason to believe that your daughter wants to hurt me or anything like that, right?
And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept anything less than, and everyone here is going to be sued
Okay.
for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant, and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just stay here. I'll talk to the other officer. See what you guys got going on. Okay.
Those kind of fight over spoils whatever it was. And it also like got that. I just put it top over. I need to make sure that whatever she gets is not going to hurt us. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay.
So ridiculous. I can't
You're
believe it.
okay to come over here. Okay. Your stuff. Can we open this door over here? Is that okay? Okay. I just don't want you sitting over there with cars.
Sorry, I chance to speak with you.
I'm off.
Sounds cool.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
here.
your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not
All right.
resisted anything.
Okay. Ma'am, do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay, so do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there?
You can come over here.
Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Just focus on her. Focus on your daughter.
Can you please call Chris?
The date was August 14, 2025, and at 9:05 a.m., a routine stop for a Tesla missing its license plate quickly evolved into a textbook encounter with sovereign citizen ideology. When officers approached, the driver immediately refused to provide a license, insurance, or registration, claiming she was merely traveling and not driving. The situation escalated as she insisted she was not contracting with the state, ignoring every lawful command. Despite being warned that her non-compliance would lead to an arrest, she remained defiant, even after a supervisor arrived to offer a final chance at cooperation. While an officer escorted her daughter to school, the driver was removed from the vehicle in handcuffs. Investigations later revealed her license had been expired since 2024. She was arrested and charged with resisting without violence, along with a stack of citations. Though she was found guilty by a jury, she continues to appeal the decision, maintaining her belief that the law simply doesn't apply to her. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a high-stakes investigation.